सो आज हम शुरू कर रहा है रीजनिंग यूनिट एंड फर्स्ट चैप्टर इज कोडिंग डिकोडिंग, वन ऑफ द most interesting chapter in aptitude section, I will say. And questions were also asked from this chapter in the last few years. Questions are frequently asked from this area. Okay, so let us start. So in the introductory class, I already explained about this details of the course, and the study materials of the last class also are updated. सबको study material मिला ना? The PDF material. So if there is any doubts or anything, you can mention, and try those extra questions also. Sorry, try that questions I have given yesterday if possible, and in the upcoming classes we will be discussing those questions anyway. Okay, and क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड रीजनिंग डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन जनरल साइंस में से हम शुरू कर रहे हैं लॉजिकल रीजनिंग यूनिट से और लॉजिकल रीजनिंग यूनिट से आई हैव टोल्ड यू लास्ट क्लास आल्सो, these are the major types of questions that can be asked. 8 lectures we'll be discussing logical reasoning itself. कोडिंग डिकोडिंग से हम शुरू कर रहा है लॉजिकल रीजनिंग. ओके, सो ये चैप्टर में कुछ थियरी है. आई विल टीच यू द थियरी इन डिटेल. So let us start. First of all, coding decoding का idea क्या है? Like if you want to send a message to your friends, but no one else should understand that message, only you should understand, you and your friend should understand. So your friend already know that this is the coding that you are doing. Coding मतलब we are encrypting or we are hiding the message so that your friend only will understand it. So ऐसा हाइडिंग के लिए क्या लॉजिक यूज कर रहा है, दैट इज व्हाट यू नीड टू लर्न इन दिस चैप्टर. सो दैट इज द आइडिया ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. सो एक कोडिंग क्या है, आप डिकोड करना है और वो डिकोड करके एक दूसरा वर्ड का कोड क्या होगा, दैट वी नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई. सो ये आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए आई विल टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ द वर्ड ABCDEF. ABCDEF वर्ड को मैं कंसिडर कर रहा है. वो ABCDEF को कैसा कोड कर सकता है, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू. हाँ, कोडिंग मेनली लेटर्स को कोड करता है. लेटर कोडिंग में डेफिनेटली अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर मींस ABCDEF अप टू Z. एंड यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर मतलब Z के बाद लेटर्स फिनिश नहीं हो रहा है, Z के बाद अगेन A है, Z के बाद again A है. That is a circle of alphabet concept. When we discuss practice, when we discuss theory, I mean with types of question, I will explain more about it. So English alphabet का order clear होना चाहिए, ABCD up to Z. And in some question the number is also important. Number मतलब क्या है, A1 है, B2 है, C3 है, D4 है. ये नंबर भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. नंबर भी इंपॉर्टेंट है मतलब ये आइदर बाय हार्ट करना है, ये बाय हार्ट नहीं करना है तो एटलीस्ट लर्न दिस कोड, इजोटी कोड. इजोटी कोड क्या है? 5th 10th 15th 20th 25th alphabet in English, they are EJOTY. so इजोटी वर्ड बाय हार्ट किया तो 5th 10th 15th 20th 25th alphabet आपको पता है ऑलरेडी. ऐसा है तो व्हाट इज द कन्वीनियंस, लाइक यू लेटर का नंबर फाइंड करना है तो ऐसा ABCD अप टू यू तक नहीं जाना है. यू ऑलरेडी नो T is 20, इजोटी कोड में T 20 है ना. सो T के बाद अगला लेटर है U. सो as T is 20, U will be 21. U will be 21. That is very simple. So इजोटी कोड will be very helpful in some questions. And in some question reverse order is important. रिवर्स ऑर्डर में Z फर्स्ट लेटर है ना, Y सेकंड लेटर है, X थर्ड लेटर है, W फोर्थ लेटर है. दैट वे आल्सो क्वेश्चंस कैन बी आस्क्ड. एंड उसके लिए एक फॉर्मूला है, फॉरवर्ड ऑर्डर वाला पोजीशन माइनस 27 माइनस फॉरवर्ड ऑर्डर पोजीशन विल बी रिवर्स ऑर्डर पोजीशन. फॉर एग्जांपल 8th लेटर ना, 27 से 8 कम किया तो क्या मिलेगा, 21. मतलब रिवर्स ऑर्डर में 21st लेटर U है ना, रिवर्स ऑर्डर में 21st लेटर होगा 8th लेटर. लुक एट दिस, U is sorry 27 नहीं, 1 second, yeah it is not 21, 19 ना. not 21. I subtracted it wrongly. Once again, I will repeat. So H 8th letter है, H 8th letter है तो 27 से 8 कम किया तो 19 मिलेगा. मतलब फॉरवर्ड ऑर्डर में 19th लेटर है ना, वो रिवर्स ऑर्डर में 8th लेटर होगा. Are you getting? Forward reverse equivalent. This is how to understand forward reverse equivalent. So that is A का equivalent Z होगा, B का equivalent Y, C का equivalent X, D का equivalent W, E का equivalent V, etc. Otherwise, another way is just write 26 letters है ना English alphabet पे. So 26 को आधा किया तो 13 letters. First 13 letter लिखो और reverse order में बाकी 13 letter लिखो. That way you can say that first letter from the back. Second letter, second last letter. Third letter, third last letter. Fourth letter, fourth last letter. ऐसा understand कर सकता है. All of you are clear? Again, when I show you more more theory, I will teach you that. Varsha, yes, all PDF will be individually given a separate files itself. Don't worry. As I told, 1 week, in 1 week, you will be getting all flashcards. So yesterday's PDF is just giving you an introduction about all chapters. That is why the flashcards are given in that. That is not the flashcards that I am providing. Flashcards, set of 100 flashcards you will be receiving, individual flashcards itself with the title written on it, so that you can easily refer it by looking at the title itself. You don't have to go one by each file. That is not needed. Okay, so that's it. Circle a series of opposite English alphabet. इसका idea भी clear होना चाहिए. Then yeah, basically इतना theory English letter का alphabet का position के बारे में इतना theory समझना चाहिए. Now I will show you what are the major types of questions that can be asked. In detail we will discuss about it. So I will take the example A, B, C, D, E, F, and I will give you an example to try yourself also. A, B, C, D, E, F consider किया तो A, B, C, D, E, F 6 letters है ना. ये A, B, C, D, E, F को कैसा कोड कर सकता है? Before that, let me just give you an idea. Coding का question ऐसा आता है. If Delhi is coded as this thing, or I'll just show you one question so that you get an idea. This is a basic structure of a coding decoding question. If 0 is coded as CHUR, then how is player written? So 0 को कैसा CHUR लिखा, वो decode करना है, वो same thing player पे apply करना है. ये 0 को CHUR लिखा, उसका एक logic है. So ऐसा different question में क्या क्या logic आ सकता है? That is what I am teaching you now. That is what I am teaching you now. Listen very carefully. So A, B, C, D, E, F को reverse order में लिख सकता है. That is the first thing. Just a minute, I'll come. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, F को reverse order में लिखना. That also is a coding pattern. And CSIR में ये same question पूछा था. A, B, C, D, E, F नहीं, दूसरा word था, reverse order में लिखा. That is the only logic used in that question. So that is also a coding technique that can be done. Reverse order में लिखना. So as I told, I will give you one example. DELHY, Delhi. Try to apply the code that I am teaching. Each of them apply on the word Delhi. So first is reverse order. A, B, C, D, E, F written as F, E, D, C, B, A. So ऐसा है तो Delhi को कैसा code करेगा? If A, B, C, D, E, F is written as F, E, D, C, B, A, Delhi will be coded as what? All of you, let practice also happen along with the theory. Meanwhile, in the book, these reasoning topics are covered in 2 separate chapters. Observational ability and logical puzzles. ये दोनों चैप्टर में ये included है. Detailed theory नहीं दिया है, but these questions are there in the book already in that chapter. Ankita already got an answer. All of you try this. Sanju and Ritu, Purushottam. Okay, so due to lack of time, I will write it down. Reverse order matlab IHLED. SIHLED हो गया reverse order. So that is one coding. Second, adding a common number. This is most frequent coding technique used in many questions. Adding a common number or subtracting a common number. For example, A B C D E F word है तो उसको C D E F G H लिख सकता है. कैसा लिखा? +2 +2 +2 +2 +2. What is the meaning of +2? Circle of alphabet concept में A +2 is C ना, B +2 is D, C +2 is E. +2 means second letter from that position. D +2 is F, E +2 is G, and F +2 is H. So C D E F G H लिख सकता है. A B C D E F like consecutive letters है इसलिए ये easy था. But Delhi, right? Code for Delhi, all of you. What is the code for Delhi? By the same logic, +2. As if you are watching this live or recorded, try to do this. And those of you are watching this recorded, if you want more time to try, you can always pause the video and try. Ankita got it. Maimunisa got it. Meenal. Okay. Many of you are getting. So I'll start explaining. +2. D +2 is what? D +2 is F. E +2 is what? G. L +2 is what? L M N. H +2 is what? H I J. I +2 is what? I J K. So F G N J K is the code for Delhi by the same logic. +2 के जगह +3, +4, +1, -1, -2, -3 ये सब possible है. So adding a common number is the next logic. Next logic is successive increase or successive decrease. Adding a common number means we are adding a constant number like an arithmetic progression. But successive increase, successive decrease matlab you are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. or 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. Successive increase. For example, A, B, C, D, E, F को A +1 B है, B +2 D है, C +3 F है, D +4 H है, E +5 J है, J +6 L है, F +6 L है. F +6 L मतलब 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So L. So by the same logic, Delhi we will use a smaller word, CSIR. CSIR का equivalent code क्या होगा? ये same logic पे A B C D E F B D F H J L है तो CSIR क्या होगा? All of you try. Okay, some of you got it. Very good, very good. Most of you got it. Wonderful, wonderful. So CSIR को same logic पे C +1 I है, C +1 क्या है? D है ना. S +2 S T U, I +3 I J K L, R +4 R S T U V. So D U L V होगा same logic पे, D U L V होगा the logic the code. So D U L V, that is CSIR will be D U L V. So successive increase decrease clear है ना. Next is oscillating pattern. Another important pattern is oscillating pattern. Oscillating pattern मतलब last to last case में common number add करना we discussed, then increasing or decreasing pattern we discussed, or it can be oscillating up and down. Subtraction, addition, subtraction, addition, subtraction, addition. And what can be subtracted, added? Anything can be subtracted, added. but commonly it is -1 + 1 -1 + 1 or -2 + 2 -2 + 2 etc. For example, A B C D E F को Z C B E D G लिख सकता है क्योंकि A -1 Z है। या सर्कल ऑफ अल्फाबेट कॉन्सेप्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, आई टोल्ड यू। ए के पहले लेटर है, ए के पहले ब्लैंक नहीं, ए के पहले Z है, so the letter before A is Z, so A -1 is Z, but B +1 is C, then C -1 is B, then D +1 is E, E -1 is D, F +1 is G, so -1 + 1 -1 + 1 -1 + 1, so CSIR का क्या होगा, CSIR का कोड क्या होगा, सेम लॉजिक यूज किया तो CSIR। We will discuss practice questions also. We will discuss PYQs also in today's class itself. That is why theory we will complete as soon as possible. So as much fast as you can try and post the answer in the chat. Ritu Ankita already got the answer. Very good, very good. Many of you got it. Wonderful. So CSIR -1 + 1 means C -1 क्या है, B है ना, S +1 क्या है, T है ना, I -1 क्या है, H है, R +1 क्या है, Q है। So -1 + 1 -1 + 1 BTHQ होगा, सॉरी BTHS होगा, सॉरी RS है, Q नहीं S, R +1, so BTHS होगा इक्विवेलेंट कोड, इक्विवेलेंट वर्ड। So oscillating pattern भी क्लियर है ना, oscillating pattern भी क्लियर है। Then next one is alphabets in reverse order. I already told you in the beginning, reverse order का भी कोडिंग हो सकता है। A B C D E F को ZYX W V U लिख सकता है। क्या है आइडिया, फर्स्ट लेटर को लास्ट लेटर से कोड किया, सेकंड लेटर को सेकंड लास्ट से, थर्ड को थर्ड लास्ट से, फोर्थ को फोर्थ लास्ट से, फिफ्थ को फिफ्थ लास्ट से, सिक्स को सिक्स्थ लास्ट से। आइडिया क्या है, फॉरवर्ड ऑर्डर में ऑर्डर पता है, वो रिवर्स ऑर्डर में कन्वर्ट कर रहा है, सॉरी रिवर्स ऑर्डर में कन्वर्ट कर रहा है। उसके लिए as I told, the technique you can use is A is first letter, Z already you know that Z is the last letter, but in general we can say 27 - 1 26th letter will be the equivalent। B second letter है तो 27 - 2 करना है 25 होगा, 25th लेटर Y है ना, सो वो होगा इक्विवेलेंट B का। सो 27 से फॉरवर्ड ऑर्डर सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो रिवर्स ऑर्डर मिलेगा। सो फॉरवर्ड रिवर्स इक्विवेलेंट ऐसा क्वेश्चन आया तो दिस इज हाउ टू सॉल्व इट। अदरवाइज यू कैन राइट इट डाउन एंड सॉल्व इट आल्सो लाइक दिस। 27 माइनस नहीं करना है तो लिखे भी कर सकता है। आई विल शो यू मोर क्वेश्चंस, देन यू विल गेट मोर क्लैरिटी। सो CSIR का क्या होगा, CSIR, yeah, you can look at this table and answer this. Alphabets in reverse order में CSIR का equivalent word क्या होगा, what will be the equivalent word for CSIR? Very good, very good. Many of you got it. Rishikesha, Ankita, Ritu, Akshita, Anita, Mosami, and many of you. Meenal, Parvati. Okay, let's see. CSIR, third letter. Forward order में third letter है C, reverse order में third letter X होगा, so C X से कोड करेगा। S का इक्विवेलेंट H है, नहीं है तो 27 माइनस S is 21st letter, so 27 minus 21 6, sorry 21st नहीं 19th letter, so माइनस किया तो 8 मिलेगा। 8th letter क्या है, H है ना, ऐसा भी कर सकता है। so anyway H होगा S का इक्विवेलेंट, I का इक्विवेलेंट क्या होगा, R होगा, R का इक्विवेलेंट क्या होगा, I होगा। so CSIR can be coded as XHRI। So alphabets in reverse order भी क्लियर है। लेटर टू नंबर का भी कोडिंग कर सकता है। लेटर टू नंबर मींस अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में इक्विवेलेंट नंबर है ना, उससे कोड कर सकता है। ABCDEF कैन बी कोडेड एज 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6। so CSIR कैसा कोड कर सकता है, क्योंकि ए फर्स्ट लेटर है ना, बी सेकंड, थर्ड, सी थर्ड, डी फोर्थ। सिमिलरली CSIR का वर्ड क्या होगा, नंबर क्या होगा CSIR? ये कोडिंग डिकोडिंग ऑलमोस्ट ऑल कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में कॉमन टॉपिक है, गेट एग्जाम में भी है, सेट एग्जाम में भी है। That is why what you are learning in this chapter is common theory for all these exams. You can practice your own questions of other exams. I will show you more PYQs of CSIR, but in the practice worksheets, I will add GATE exam and other exam questions also for your extra learning. Many of you got it. Wonderful, wonderful. So letter to number का idea क्या है? C थर्ड लेटर है, सो C के जगह 3 लिख सकता है। S 19th लेटर है, सो 19 लिख सकता है। I 9th लेटर है, सो 9 लिख सकता है। R 18th लेटर है, सो 18 लिख सकता है। सो CSIR का वर्ड 319916 होगा, 319916 होगा। Sometimes to trick you, instead of writing the number, they can give you double of the number or triple of the number or half of the number, etc. 1 2 3 4 को 2 4 6 8 yeah 10 12 or with carry over, adding the carry, that way also you can give like 2 4 6 9 0 9 1 2. Again, anything can be a code. Let me tell you, there are infinitely many possible way they can ask the question. But if they want to make the question tougher, instead of writing the equivalent number, वो equivalent number का double या triple या 4 times या half ऐसा भी कर सकता है question. या equivalent number -1, equivalent number +1. That are variations of the coding that I am giving you. But normally they ask equivalent number itself. But if they want to trick you, definitely they can make variations of the same logic. So keep that in mind. Next is group pattern. Patterns can be observed in group. Like all throughout all letters, there is no common pattern. But in groups, you can see a pattern. Like A, B, C, D, E, F को Z, A, B, E, G, I लिख सकता है. Logic क्या है? फर्स्ट हाफ एक ग्रुप है, सेकेंड हाफ दूसरा ग्रुप है। फर्स्ट ग्राफ में, फर्स्ट ग्रुप में रूल -1 लिखा है यहाँ। सेकेंड ग्रुप में सक्सेसिव इंक्रीज +1 +2 +3 लिखा है। जस्ट चेक, A-1 है ना Z, B-1 A, C-1 B, लेकिन D+1 E, E+2 है G, F+3 है I. Again, these two patterns can be any pattern we have discussed till now. Oscillating pattern हो सकता है, successive increase, reversing, anything is possible. But what I am saying, sometimes the question can ask you where in groups only pattern are there, in groups only pattern are there. So if you identify A, B, C, D, E, F as Z, A, B, E, G, I, CSIR क्या होगा? CSIR का word क्या होगा? By the same logic. Try करिए। मतलब आधा आधा किया तो CSIR, CS एक आधा होगा, IR एक आधा होगा। सेम लॉजिक यूज करके अप्लाई करना है। Any of you got it? Ankita, Ritu, Akshita. Let us see whether it is correct. CS आधा, फर्स्ट हाफ CS है ना, CS में लॉजिक क्या है? -1. So C-1 B, S-1 is R. IR में +1 +2 करना है, I+1 IJ, R+2 RST. So BRJT होगा equivalent word. Yeah, in your CSIRNet question, most of the time 2 examples will be given. A, B, C, D, F equal to Z, A, B, G, I. CSIR is equal to BRJT. Then Delhi is equal to, ऐसा question पूछ सकता है। But one example दिया तो भी कुछ questions में कर सकता है। Another type of swapping pattern. Swapping pattern मतलब ग्रुप पैटर्न में ग्रुप किया है ना, यहां भी ग्रुप कर रहा है, ग्रुप करने के बाद we are swapping the groups. Swapping the groups means ABC फर्स्ट हाफ को सेकेंड हाफ लिखा, सेकेंड हाफ को फर्स्ट हाफ लिखा, ऐसा भी कर सकता है. एंड इफ दे वांट टू मेक वेरिएशंस ऑफ दैट, दैट इज आल्सो पॉसिबल. फर्स्ट हाफ सेकेंड हाफ में भी फॉरवर्ड ऑर्डर में नहीं, रिवर्स ऑर्डर में लिखा, डीईएफ नहीं एफईडी लिखा, ऐसा भी ट्विस्ट कर सकता है क्वेश्चन को. बट आर यू गेटिंग द पॉइंट ऑल ऑफ यू? स्वैपिंग पैटर्न क्या है? सो सीएसआईआर का स्वैपिंग वर्ड क्या होगा? सेम लॉजिक से सीएसआईआर कैसा कोड कर सकता है? Very good. Rishikesh already got it. Let's see. CSIR आधा करके CS right side, IR left side. So CSIR can be coded as IRCS by the same logic. Again, if they want to twist it, ABCDEF DEF ABC के जगह FED ऐसा भी लिख सकता है. ABC को सेकेंड हाफ लिखा और रिवर्स भी किया, CBA सॉरी CAB नहीं CBA, मतलब मिक्सड पैटर्न है, स्वैपिंग भी है रिवर्स भी है. और FED को DEF भी लिख सकता है, सॉरी FED DEF DEF CBA, ऐसा बहुत सारा कॉम्बिनेशंस पॉसिबल है. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से. सो स्वैपिंग पैटर्न एंड इट्स वेरिएशंस आर पॉसिबल, कीप इट इन माइंड. नाउ coding can also be done based on the position of letters, some arithmetic done on that. Position of letters के बारे में हम already discuss किया. A B C D E F means A first letter है, B second है, C third है, D fourth है, E fifth है, F sixth है. अभी A B C D F can be coded as 21. How? ये 1 2 3 4 5 6 ऐड किया तो 21 मिलेगा, ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है. एक लेटर को सॉरी एक वर्ड को एक नंबर इक्विवेलेंट दिया है. नंबर इक्विवेलेंट क्या है यहाँ पे लॉजिक? प्लस करके, अगेन ट्विस्ट करना है तो प्लस करके डबल भी कर सकता है, ट्रिपल भी कर सकता है, आधा भी कर सकता है, ऐसा बहुत सारे वेरिएशंस पॉसिबल है. अगेन CSIR हैव आस्क्ड बेसिकली सिंपल क्वेश्चंस, बट आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक यू रेडी फॉर एनी एग्जाम्स, any type of any level of questions also. And if CSIR try to trick you with difficult questions also, you should be ready to try it. That is why I'm giving you variations also. When you see PYQs of CSIR, you will feel like, okay, this is so simple, I am ready. But we have to expect if difficult questions comes, still you should be able to do, because this chapter, once you completely learn it, any type of questions can be easily done, because it's a comparatively easy understandable topic. ओके सो ये सेम लॉजिक से ABCDF 21 है तो CSIR क्या होगा? CSIR क्या होगा? CSIR का इक्विवेलेंट नंबर क्या होगा? ऑल ऑफ यू, CSIR विल बी कोडेड टू व्हाट? रोहिणी गॉट इट, रितु गॉट इट, अंकिता गॉट इट. लेट्स सी. So CSIR will be, C will be third letter, S will be 21st letter, sorry 19th letter, not 21st. I will be 9th letter, R will be 18th letter. ये सब ऐड करना है, ये सब ऐड किया तो क्या मिलेगा? 49 मिलेगा. So ABCDF 21 है तो CSIR 49 होगा. नेक्स्ट इज नंबर ऑफ लेटर्स भी पूछ सकता है. नंबर ऑफ लेटर्स भी एक कोडिंग टेक्निक है. नंबर ऑफ लेटर्स मतलब ABCDF में 6 लेटर्स है ना, 6 लेटर्स है. So ABCDF is coded as 6. So CSIR will be coded as what? Yeah, already all of you understood, right? 4. Delhi will be coded as what? 5. So number of letters also can be a coding. Number of letters. Again, उसको twist करना है तो क्या कर सकता है? 6 के जगह 12. So 4 के जगह 8. 5 के जगह 10. What I have done there. Number of letters का double या triple और या 4 times. So CSIR 4 letters so double 8. 5 letters so 10. So ऐसा भी पूछ सकता है क्वेश्चन, नंबर ऑफ लेटर्स के डिपेंडेंट. नाउ रीअरेंजमेंट ऑफ लेटर्स, दिस इज लिटिल ट्रिकी. इन परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन चैप्टर वी विल लर्न अबाउट लेटर रीअरेंजमेंट और वर्ड रीअरेंजमेंट. मतलब एक वर्ड का लेटर्स को कितना तरीके से रीअरेंज कर सकता है. दैट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर कॉल्ड एनाग्राम प्रॉब्लम्स. Anagram means how many rearrangements, but coding decoding में how many rearrangement नहीं, वो total rearrangement में से एक rearrangement coding जैसा पूछ सकता है. A B C D E F can be written as E B A F C B C D. What is the idea? E fifth position में है, लेकिन the equivalent word में E first position में है. B second है, यहाँ भी second है. A first था, अभी A third हो गया. C third था, अभी fourth हो गया. F sixth था, अभी fourth हो गया. D fourth था, अभी sixth हो गया. मतलब ऐसा क्वेश्चन करने का टेक्निक ये है, A B C D E F 1 2 3 4 5 6 first second third fourth fifth sixth position. If I write A, what did we do? We have changed A's position. Just a minute. We have changed 1 2 3. 1 is here now, B 2 is here, C is here, D is here, E is here. 5 2 1 6 3 4 ऐसा order में rearrange किया. Are you getting? Yeah, here CSIR पूछा तो confusion होगा. 6 letter word दिया तो 6 letter ही word देगा. Like मुंबई कैसा rearrange कर सकता है? same order follow किया तो. All of you try it please. A B C D E F E B A F C D है तो मुंबई क्या होगा? मुंबई क्या होगा? Carefully try it. Little tricky one, but once you understand the logic, you can apply it for any question. Munisa got the answer already. Very good. Ritu, Meenal. Let's see. So, Mumbai, if I write, sure Lakshmi, I will explain in detail. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 ऐसा लिखा तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 को 5 2 1 6 3 4 लिखना है. मतलब फिफ्थ लेटर फर्स्ट लिखना है A. देन सेकंड लेटर लिखना है 5 2 1 6 3 4. सेकंड लेटर U सेकंड लिखना है. 5 2 1 third letter M first letter should be written as the third letter. Then sixth letter I should be written as the fourth letter. Then third letter M should be written as the fifth letter. Then fourth letter B should be written as the sixth letter. So AUMIMB will be the equivalent code. Again, any rearrangement, permutation combination chapter mein we will learn 6 letter. If no letter is repeated, 6 factorial rearrangements will be there. 6 factorial rearrangement. Okay, anyway, I hope all of you understood this. Clear now? Any doubts? Is it clear? Now, another idea is rearrangement of words. Rearrangement of words. This is a very interesting concept. It is very different from all other previous questions. All other previous question I could explain with A, B, C, D, E, F itself. Here A, B, C, D, E, F nahi use kar sakta because here the logic is based on words. Blue color car is written as 367. Green color fan is written as 694. White color car is written as 356. Then the question will be like this. Then what is the equivalent number for the word blue? Or what is the equivalent number for the word green? Or the reverse also can be asked. The number 7 will represent which word? Or it can be like this. If blue color car is this, green color fan is this, white color car is this, then what will be white color fan? What will be white color fan? And 4 options will be given. Okay, so here the idea is presence and absence. ये question करने का idea presence and absence का है. What is presence and absence? Okay, let me tell you first. Blue color car does not mean blue is 3, color is 6, car is 7. वो कैसा मुझे पता है? क्योंकि कलर तीनों वर्ड में कलर सेंटर में है ना, ऐसा ऑर्डर में है तो तीनों नंबर का सेंटर नंबर सेम होना चाहिए ना। कलर 6 है तो यहाँ कलर 9 है, यहाँ कलर 5 है, मतलब ऐसा कोडिंग नहीं किया है। इट इज रीअरेंज्ड। रीअरेंज्ड मीन्स ब्लू 3 या 6 या 7 कुछ भी हो सकता है, 3 6 7 में से किसी भी नंबर हो सकता है ब्लू। सिमिलरली कलर कैन बी 3 और 6 और 7, कार कैन बी 3 और 6 और 7। we don't know which one it is, but we know blue will be either these three, one of this, that is for sure. Likewise for other words also. So how to do this? Presence and absence idea. तीनों में कॉमन वर्ड कलर है ना, तीनों में कॉमन नंबर कौन सा है? 6 तीनों में कॉमन है। So that is how we confirm that color is 6. Color is 6. Is it clear? Now first and third में कार कॉमन है, एंड फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड में कॉमन नंबर 3 है, सेकंड में वो कार और 3 मिसिंग है। सो दैट इज कंफर्मेशन दैट कार इज 3। कलर एंड कार का नंबर मिला तो रिमाइनिंग नंबर ब्लू का होना चाहिए ना, क्योंकि और कोई नंबर बचा नहीं है ब्लू के लिए। सो ब्लू शुड बी 7। एंड सिमिलरली कलर एंड कार का नंबर 3 and 6 है, तो 3 and 6 है तो व्हाइट का नंबर रिमाइनिंग नंबर 5 होना ही चाहिए ना। दिस इज हाउ टू फाइंड इट। बट ग्रीन एंड फैन के बारे में हमें कंफर्म नहीं बता सकता, ग्रीन 9 होगा या 4 होगा। 9 और 4 होगा ग्रीन, 9 और 4 होगा फैन। All of you understood what is rearrangement of word type question? Please respond. This is how to solve it. गेट एग्जाम में आया है ये 2 बार। CSIR में ऐसा क्वेश्चन अभी तक आया नहीं, बट पूछ सकता है, because this is a very common type of question in competitive exams. Presence and absence is the idea. सेट एग्जाम में बहुत बार आया है ये क्वेश्चन, ये सेम टाइप का। And UPSC and other government exams also, this is a common type question asked. So anyway, this is also a coding that can be done. Now same way words का rearrangement जैसा ही letters का rearrangement ये presence and absence use करके भी कर सकता है। Like bat, rat, car, rat, तीनों में common number, common letter A है ना, तीनों में common number कौन सा है? तीनों में common number, yeah, try this please. Tell me the equivalent letters for numbers for B, A and T. B का क्या होगा, A का, B क्या होगा, A क्या होगा, T क्या होगा? Tell me. We'll get some water and come try this. Very good, very good. Many of you got it. Wonderful. So idea क्या है? A तीनों में कॉमन है, so A का नंबर तीनों में कॉमन वाला नंबर होगा, so 1 होगा, A 1 होगा। Now T ये दोनों में कॉमन है, T नंबर 4 ये दोनों में कॉमन है, so T का नंबर 4 होगा। B रिमाइनिंग नंबर 7 होना ही चाहिए ना, so 7 will be B, A will be 1 and T will be 4. So rearrangement of letters be possible. So yeah, this is the summary of the Decoding code and everything. So yeah, these are the major types of question. Did you got an idea? This much time we have spared to teach you the theory. Now I will show you some questions. Then we will go to PYQs also. Let us learn, make the learning as much comprehensive as possible. Yeah, any feedback, please let me know. Is the screen blur for everyone? Please mention screen is clear or blur. screen is clear or blur? Blur. Okay, I don't. Just let me know when it is clear. I don't know what is the issue. Let me just check. Thank you, Mubashir. It was blur for how much? How many minutes? Can you please mention? It is readable but blur. Okay, okay. I will check just now. Now. Okay, okay. Only this sheet is blur. Okay, okay, okay. The previous ones all were okay, right? Fine. Okay, okay. Let's continue anyway, but I will check anyway. Let me just ask you. Yesterday you told that sometime it was blur. In the recording, is it blur? Have anyone checked the recording of that part? The recording, it is fine only, na? Only this slide is blur, na? Okay, okay, okay. Then we will proceed. Recording it is okay now. Okay, 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 okay. Then I think it may be some buffering issue in between. I will check with the team anyway. Okay, so I will show you practical questions. Then we will go to PYQs itself. 4 or 5 questions practice we will do, and then go to CSIR PYQs itself. Okay, try this. 1 minute is enough for these kinds of question, in my opinion. So 1 minute to try. All of you try. Those if you're watching this live also, recording also, please try it. Yeah, let me tell you, those of you are watching recording, don't just think that you are just attending the class for reading, for learning the theory. The theory should be applied. That is why when I'm giving time to try, please try it. So okay, Ankita. Okay, okay. Now also, can you all just refresh and check? Everyone, if it is it blur or only for few it is blur? Check whether it is a network issue in your network also. If it is blur for everyone, there may be some issue here, but otherwise it can be a network issue there. So please refresh and check once more. Ankita got an answer already for this. Sri Janani also. Okay, well, I start explaining. All of you try, or do you need more time? Adarsh, Sanju got an answer. Meenal, Ritu, Akshita, Rishikesha, Rohini. Okay, so I'll start explaining. If 0 is written as CHUR, how 0 is written as CHUR? Plus 3 is the idea. Z plus 3, E plus 3, R plus 3, O plus 3. So plus 3. So same way player, P plus 3, L plus 3, A plus 3, Y plus 3, E plus 3, R plus 3. Y plus 3, how it is B? If anyone have doubt, circle of alphabet. That is why ZA, then after Z it is A. So ZAB. So third letter will be B. So Y is coded as B. Similarly, P is S, L is O, P plus 3, P plus 3. QRS, LMNO. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, R, S, T, U. So S, O, D, B, H, U. Yeah, option elimination also can be done. Only letter with U in the end is option D. So option D will be the answer. Or one by one you can check. So that was a constant number adding logic. Here look at this. This one, carefully try this. Here a clue is given in the question itself. Carefully try it. Is the screen readable to all? Please mention. Is it readable? Some of you are saying there's a blur issue now also. Is it readable or not? Okay, many of you got an answer. Very good. Ankita, Priyanka, Sanju, Rohini, Adarsh, Rishikesha, Anita, Mausami, Ankita, Akshita. Okay, so here the question itself says that if the order of letters in English alphabet is reversed, like first letter equivalent to last letter, second equivalent to second last, third equivalent to third last, and so on, and each letter represents the letter whose position it occupies, then which of the following represents Lucknow? I told you this reverse idea. L 12th letter है forward order में, so reverse order में 12th letter क्या है? O है ना? So L will be coded as O. Or you write letters like this. Write letters like this from A to M, first 13 letter and next 13 letter in reverse order, and then match it. L will be coded as O. U will be coded as F. C will be coded as X. K will be coded as P. N will be coded as M. O will be coded as L. W will be coded as D. So Lucknow will be coded as O, O, F. C is coded as X. K is coded as P. N is coded as M. O is coded as L. And W is coded as D. So O, F, X, P, M, L, D. O, F, X, P, M, L, D. O, F, X, P, M, L, D is option D. So option D is the answer. And another way of doing it is subtract from 27. L है तो L फॉरवर्ड ऑर्डर में 12th लेटर है, सो 27 से 12 कम किया तो 15 लेटर O. इजोटी कोड हेल्प करेगा. O है 15 लेटर, वो आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए. ऐसा भी कर सकता है. बोथ आर फाइन. Writing 13 letter, that is also fine, or this way also fine. Two ways of doing it. Anyway, Lucknow will be coded as OFXPMLT by that logic. Okay, so if that is clear, this one you can try as homework. We have discussed this type already. The detailed explanation is also given in the PDF. This one, please try. A little different question. Carefully try it, please. Is it readable? Please mention, is it readable? No? Okay. Let me check. Hello? Is it better now? Yes, clear. Okay. So please try. Okay, due to lack of time, I will start explaining. The letters from A to Z are numbers from numbered from 1 to 26. If GHI is equal to 1578, GHI कैसा 1578 होगा? GHI is called as 1578. How that is possible? GHI का equivalent numbers लिखो, then you will get an idea. GHI का equivalent numbers alphabetical order में GHI, G क्या है, H क्या है, I क्या है. G 7th letter है ना English alphabet. H 8th letter, I 9th letter. So 789 होगा GHI. लेकिन 789 नहीं, 1578 लिखा है. 789 का डबल है 1578. इक्वलेंट लेटर वाला वो नंबर का डबल है the coding that is done. Equivalent letter double. I told you those kinds of manipulations can be done on a direct sequence. Similarly, DEF में भी लिखो, देखो DEF 4th 5th 6th लेटर है ना. 456 हो गया 3 digit नंबर, लेकिन 456 नहीं, उसका डबल 912 लिखा है यहाँ. It is double of 456, 912, which is written here. Similarly, ABC 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 का डबल 246 होगा आंसर. Is it clear to all of you? Please respond. Is this clear or not? सबको क्लियर है ना? So that is the idea. So this is again, you can try this as homework. We have discussed the same type already. It is successive increase. Try it as homework. This is also same type, successive decrease. Try it as homework. This one please try. This one please try. A word is coded to a number. Try this. This is a little different from all previous questions. Okay, some of you started getting the answer, Minal, Ritu, Priyanka, etc. So if Raman is written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Dinesh is written as 6, 7, 5, 8, 4, 9, Hamam will be written as. Compared to all previous question, the difference here is, here it is a random coding. Random coding means it is not connected to alphabetical order at all. Alphabetical order से कोई संबंध नहीं है इसका. Raman is coded as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 का idea है. R is 1, A is 2, M is 3, O is 4, N is 5. How we can confirm that? Raman और दिनेश ये दोनों में कॉमन नंबर कॉमन लेटर कौन सा है? दोनों में कॉमन वाला लेटर N is the only common letter. N यहाँ 5 है, यहाँ भी 5 है. That is the clue that we get that N is 5. Similarly, R is 1, A is 2, M is 3, O is 4, D is 6, I is 7, E is 8, S is 4, H is 9. How D is 6? No reason. D is 6. They are assigning it to 6. No connection with the alphabetical order. D का position 4 है alphabet में, उससे connected है 6. No. So that way also question can be twisted. Keep it in mind. So हमाम का नंबर चाहिए तो H 9 है ना, so 9 लिखना है. A 2 है ना, so 2 लिखना है. M 3 है, so 3. Here also, and A is 2. All of you understood this? 9 2 3 2 3 will be the answer. 9 2 3 2 3, second option. This was a question asked in a previous UPSC exam itself, UPSC CSAT. A very interesting one. And in set exams, this model question are more frequently asked in set exams. So this one also please try as homework. I already showed you the method to solve this. Try this as homework. The solution is already given here. Answer is also given here. This also you can try as homework. I have given enough practice questions. Now we will start CSIR PYQs. Otherwise, you will not get enough time to complete CSIR PYQs. So the theory and practice questions, I hope you got an overall idea about this chapter. Now let us discuss PYQs so that you will be confident solving them. This was a December 2018 CSIRNet question. All of you make a try. Very good. Some of you already got it. Very simple question, na? PYQ है, बहुत ही simple PYQ था. Seldon means noodles. How? Seldon forward order में Seldon, reverse order में Seldon है noodles. Seldon, Seldon in reverse order. So same way spous, spous will be written in reverse order as spous. So the word is soups. Soups, option B. Simple hai na? So reverse order is the idea. The next one, September 2022, this was asked. September 2022. Make a try, all of you. Yeah, the clues we have discussed this type already. 2 examples we already have discussed. Very good. Some of you already got an answer. So shall I explain? Albert written as BNEWZ and zebra written as AGEVF. From that, what you can say? Albert written as BNEIWZ. When you observe it, you can see A plus 1 is B. L plus 2 is N. LMN. B, C, D, E. Third letter. FGHI, fourth letter, RSTUVW, fifth letter, TUVWXYZ, plus 6. So plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, successive increase. Same way, zebra also you can confirm that it is same logic. Z plus 1 is A, circle of alphabets. E plus 2, B plus 3, R plus 4, A plus F. So MICHEL, Mitchell, can be written as M plus 1 N, I plus 2 K, C plus 3 F, H plus 4 L, F, E plus 5 J, L plus 6 R. And you can do elimination. When you see NKF is only there in third option, you can stop there and say that other options are wrong. So option C should be the answer. So plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 is the idea. Then try the next one, December 2019 CSIRNet problem. Very good. Some of you already got it. In a certain cipher language, bike is coded as YFHB, and car is coded as ZXO. Then scooter can be coded as bike YFHBQ hai, let us understand, and car ZXOQ hai, let us understand, and then apply to scooter. So here it is subtraction of a common number. B minus 3 is Y, circle of alphabets. A, B. So X, Y, Z. So B minus 3, A, Z, Y. Third letter is Y. Na? Again, if you are confused to do it in reverse, minus करना difficult है तो ये Y plus 3 किया तो B मिलेगा. ऐसा भी सोच सकता है. Because forward order is easy for us to comprehend. ऐसा है तो 1, 2, 3 ऐसा सोच सकता है. F plus 3 is I. H plus 3 is K. B plus 3 is E. बिकॉज ए बी सी डी ई एफ ऐसा फॉरवर्ड ऑर्डर में हम लेटर्स को बाई हार्ट किया ना, सो वो ऑर्डर इजियर होगा फॉरवर्ड ऑर्डर में. सो वर्ड टू लेटर, वर्ड टू कोड कंफ्यूजिंग है तो कोड टू वर्ड भी चेक कर सकता है. दैट इज अ ट्रिक. Z plus 3 C है, X plus 3 A है, O plus 3 R है. So minus 3 is the idea, that is for sure. So scooter, S minus 3, C minus 3, A minus 3, sorry, O minus 3. O minus 3 means both should be L, and that you can start checking. 2 L's in the middle, only option C have. Other options are eliminated. Again, should I explain more? I am just showing the slides because we already have discussed this in detail. If there is any more explanation needed, please mention if it is clear or not. Thus, if you are watching this live lecture, if you people have any doubt, please mention, so that the doubts you ask more or less may be same with those who have doubts while watching recording also. So if you ask the doubts, that doubts I will explain in detail, so that those of you are watching recording only also will be able to follow. What is it, Meenal? Which part? C is Z. What is the mistake, Meenal? I didn't get you. In scooter, did I make a mistake? Sorry. Let me check. I will check once more. PQRS. A, B, C, D. Okay. It is Z now. Sorry. It should be Z here. All the other letters are correct now. Yeah, that is just a typing error because A is PA. There is no option with PA. So it should be PZLLQBO. All others are correct now. Yeah, thank you for letting me know. You're right, Meenal. It should be Z here. Yeah, I will correct it in the slide now itself. Okay, anyway, this is clear, I guess. So try the next question. December 2019, one more paper had a question of this type. So try the same type itself. So maybe we can go a little faster because I have to show you some more variety questions asked from this chapter. Delhi is coded as BCJFG. Madras is coded as KYBPYQ. Then Mumbai is coded as. We have discussed this already multiple times. Subtracting a common number. D minus 2, E minus 2, L minus 2, H minus F. Last question also same logic. Na? I minus G. Or you can think B plus 2 is D, C plus 2 is E, J plus 2 is L, F plus 2 is H, G plus 2 is I. So same way K plus 2 M. वर्ड टू कोड या कोड टू वर्ड भी कर सकता है. सब्ट्रैक्शन कंफ्यूजिंग है तो कोड टू वर्ड कर सकता है. कोड वाला वर्ड ओरिजिनल वर्ड से मैच करना है, ऐसा भी सोच सकता है. Whichever is easy for you, that way you can do, because B is before D. That is why I'm starting that way. B plus 2, C plus E, C plus 2. So 2 is the difference anyway. So Mumbai 2 difference means M minus 2 K, U minus 2 S, M minus 2 K, B minus 2 Z, and remaining. So K S K Z Y G, K S K Z Y G. That is option C. Is it clear to all? Please respond. Yeah, many of you got it also. Wonderful. Try this. This is another December 2019 problem. Carefully try it. The structure of the question is different from all other previous questions. So carefully try it. I'll give you 1.5 minutes. Try it, please. Once again, I'm telling those of you watching recording, if you need more time, you can take, but not more than 2 minutes for any question, because in exam hall also, you should spare maximum 2 minutes for a question. Some questions can be done in lesser than 1.5 minute also, but maximum it should be 2, not minimum. It can be any value or any time. Priyanka got an answer, Purushottam got an answer. Anyway, first I will explain the meaning of the question while you try itself. To enter a building, a password is needed. So hacking the password is the coding to be done or decoding to be done here. We need to identify the password or how the password is created. There is a coding done to create the password. When A enters, the sentry says, the guard or the system is saying that 5. That means A should reply something. If that reply is correct, A will be let in. So A replied 4 to that. Matlab 5 ka equivalent 4 hai. 5 ka equivalent 4 hai. Because he is let in. Na? His password is correct. B enters, sentry says 6. 6 ka equivalent 3 hai. Because B replied 3. And C enters, sentry says 1. C ka reply 3 hai. मतलब ये तीनों रिप्लाईज करेक्ट है या तीनों पासवर्ड्स करेक्ट है. तो ये तीनों पासवर्ड्स ऑब्जर्व करके 3 का पासवर्ड क्या होगा, 3 का रिप्लाई क्या है, दैट इज व्हाट वी नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई. लॉजिक बहुत ही सिंपल है. 5 कितना लेटर्स है, 5 का 4 लेटर्स है ना. 5 have 4 letters, 1 2 3 4. 6 have 3 letters, that is why the reply is 3. 1 have 3 letters, that is why the reply is 3. I told you now, number of letters can also be used as a code. 3 have 5 letters, so 5 is the answer. Option D, 5. All of you understood this? Please respond. Some of you already got it. Very good, very good. Option D is the correct answer. Some of you got option A. How can you explain? We will check whether it is correct. But this is the most correct solution. So 5 is the answer. Then, okay, these are the direct coding decoding questions asked by CSIR till now. Now, indirectly, coding decoding was asked. Like they have mentioned what to do. Hidden letters or hidden words from a word or passage or from a group of words you need to find. That kind of questions were asked in CSIR. गेट एग्जाम में ऐसा क्वेश्चन नहीं आता है, बट CSIR में ये टाइप का क्वेश्चंस आया है. So try this question, November 2020 net exam problem. It's not a typical coding decoding question, but it can be included as coding decoding itself. Okay, Minal, no problem, no problem. Okay, due to lack of time, I will start explaining which of the following words can be formed using only the letters of the word floxy-nosy-hiliflification. First of all, floxy-nosy-hiliflification, the meaning of the word is the action or habit of estimating something as worthless. This word was very viral like few years back when Shashi Tharoor used it in a tweet. This is one of the longest words in English, not the longest word, but one of the longest words. The longest word in English is pneumono ultra microscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. Yeah, I think it is complete, or I missed some parts of the word. I don't know. I remember I learned this when I was in school. So that is the name of some disease actually. This floxinosiliflification means this is the meaning of it. Okay, that all are just extra information I told. In this question, to do this question, none of those information is needed. You just have to check floxinosiliflification में ये words है या नहीं, ये letters. Philippines, PHI, again, word you can use a letter at most as many times it appears means, for example, यहाँ पे H एक ही बार है. सो वर्ड फॉर्म करने के लिए H 2 बार या 3 बार यूज नहीं कर सकता. चिंचिला में H 2 बार है, तो डेफिनेटली ऑप्शन बी गलत है, क्योंकि फ्लॉक्सिनोसिलिफ्लिफिकेशन में H एक ही बार है. देयर इज ओनली वन टाइम H इज ऑकरिंग इन फ्लॉक्सिनोसिलिफ्लिफिकेशन. सो चिंचिला में 2 बार मतलब चिंचिला वर्ड पॉसिबल ही नहीं है टू फॉर्म इट. यू कैन रीअरेंज इट, बट you cannot use letters more than the number of times it is occurring. So ऐसा एलिमिनेशन करना ही काफी है. फिलीपाइंस में 3 पीस है, लेकिन फ्लॉक्सिनोसिलिफ्लिफिकेशन में एक ही पी है. Philippines have 3 p's now, so definitely this is impossible. Same logic, chinchilla I already told you 2 h's, but floxinosiliflification have only 1 h, so this is eliminated. Cincinnati matlab Cincinnati, let's see, CIN is here, CIN, one more CIN is here, N is, one more N is needed, so N is here, ATI is here, so definitely you can form Cincinnati. So option C is the answer. Nationality, how you can eliminate? Y is missing in floxinosylification. So ऐसा eliminate करके भी कर सकता है. So this is again a different kind of coding. Coding means they have already revealed. Coding is find the letter somewhere, find it. That's all. Letter searching question we can say. All of you understood? Yeah, just ask extra information. The meaning of these words, I hope you know. Just adding to your word power in case you don't know. Philippines is the name of a country. Chinchilla is a rodent. It's an animal. So Chinchilla, and Cincinnati is a city in USA. Nationality word you already know. Yeah, Cincinnati is also a character in this Money Heist movie. The name of that baby, I guess. So anyway, so this question is clear, I guess. Now this letter searching type question was asked multiple times. This was also another letter searching question. December 2015. Last few years they haven't asked much, but earlier they were asking. That is why we will discuss few examples anyway. Letter searching question. Okay, I'll start explaining. The clue is hidden in the statement. Which statement? The statement, the clue is hidden in the statement. Yes, statement में clue दिया है. The context is Sherlock and Moriarty story. Sherlock is the detective and Moriarty is the villain in the story. You may have seen the movie or TV series or read the book by Arthur Conan Doyle, where Sherlock is a very famous detective. So Moriarty is the villain who always does a crime and give a puzzle to Sherlock to solve it. So here also Sherlock Moriarty is doing a crime. क्या crime किया है? एक ट्रेजर स्टील करके वो हाइड किया एक पिलर में. 10 पिलर्स है, उसमें से एक पिलर में हाइड किया. शर्लक आइडेंटिफाई करना है कौन सा पिलर है. उसके लिए मोरियार्टी एक क्लू दिया. द क्लू इज हिडन इन द स्टेटमेंट. मतलब ये पिलर का नंबर ये स्टेटमेंट में है. दैट इज अ लॉजिक. पिलर का नंबर ये रोमन नंबर्स है ना, ये एक्स नहीं, रोमन नंबर 10 है. 10, ये 2 है, ये 3 है और ये 9 है. सो ये वर्ड सर्च करना है जस्ट लाइक प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन. बट हियर इट इज नॉट लेटर्स रीअरेंज्ड in direct format itself. You will see this number or any variations of it. Ninth means pillar number 9, option D. That is a easy way to solve this. NINTH, ninth you can find. One more way 9 you can find is NINE in reverse order. NINE in reverse order. Reverse order mein NINE. That also say pillar number 9. Pillar number 9, option D is the answer. I hope all of you understood this. So, if that is clear, this is another letter finding type of question. This was asked in 3 different NET exams, but it was asked only last few years. They haven't asked questions like this, but it is definitely good to see more type of question, because we cannot say what all questions can be asked in the next exam. Okay, so I'll start explaining. Will you all try? In each of the following groups of words, a hidden number is a hidden number based on which you should arrange them in descending. Descending means decreasing, larger to smaller. एक number find करना है, just like previous question. यहाँ पे देखिए 6 दिख सकता है ना, 5, 4, 7. that you need to arrange in decreasing order. 6, 5, 4, 7. Decreasing order means largest number is 7, then 6, then 5, then 4. That is H, E, F, G, option D. If there is any doubt, look at this. These 6, 5, 4, 7, you have to arrange them in decreasing order. That is 7, 6, 5, 4. That is H, E, F, G. H, E, F, G is the order. So option D. The same type question was asked 2 more times. Same logic itself. That is why I am giving you as homework. Ascending order hai 11, 9, 8, 10. Ascending order mein CBDA hoga. Check it. Solution is given here. If there is any doubt. This is the rearrangement. Next one, same question itself. June 2015 में भी पूछा था. But as it is, we already discussed one example. I'm just fast forwarding it. Ascending order ही है. So try करिए homework. 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 होगा. Increasing order. This is more homework question of the same type, which I have created for you to try. Solution also given. Another question, try it. Another question, try it. Okay, this many questions were asked from this chapter. Yeah, one more type. This we can discuss in number system chapter. When we discuss number system, I will explain this. It's a hybrid question. Coding, decoding, number system दोनों का idea है. लेकिन बॉट मास रूल के बारे में डिस्कस करना है. ये क्वेश्चन डिटेल ज्यादा एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए दिसंबर 2023 में पूछा था. बट bot mass rule is part of number system. That is why this kind of question we will discuss in number system. Yeah, please understand hybrid questions can be common. Hybrid questions means multiple chapters together asked in a single question. This is a hybrid question. ये नंबर सिस्टम और कोडिंग डिकोडिंग दोनों का कॉन्सेप्ट इंक्लूडेड है. इसलिए नंबर सिस्टम लर्न करने के बाद ये ईसीआर होगा. ये दिसंबर 2023 में पूछा था. ऑप्शन ए आंसर होगा. Okay, that's it. I hope you got overall idea about this chapter. Many questions we practiced, many theory we discussed. Any doubts, please ask. More questions on GATE from this chapter I am giving here. GATE, as I told, solutions of these questions are already given in my YouTube channel. Complete free courses there for GATE in my YouTube channel. Refer it, you can learn it.